Building your first survival stockpile can feel incredibly overwhelming, especially when you see veterans with basements full of expensive freeze-dried buckets. But you do not need thousands of dollars to secure your family against supply chain failures. You just need the right foundational calories. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are covering the 5 foods you must have in your prepper pantry as a beginner. Let's go. Number 1. White rice. Forget brown rice, which contains natural oils that go rancid quickly. Standard long-grain white rice is the ultimate base carbohydrate. It is incredibly cheap, highly versatile, and if sealed correctly, it boasts a shelf life of up to 30 years. Number 2. Dried pinto beans. Rice alone will not sustain you. You need heavy protein. When combined with white rice, dried beans form a complete protein profile, giving you the essential amino acids your body needs to survive a prolonged grid-down scenario. Number 3. Canned meat. You need high-quality protein that requires absolutely zero fuel to prepare. Stock up on canned chicken breast and tuna. They are fully cooked, densely packed with nutrients, and can be eaten straight out of the tin if you lose grid power. Number 4. Peanut butter. In a high-stress survival situation, you will burn through calories fast. You need dense, ready-to-eat fats. Standard peanut butter requires no refrigeration, zero preparation, and provides a massive energy boost on demand. Number 5. Iodized salt. Beginners always forget the seasonings. Without salt, eating plain rice and beans for weeks will cause severe appetite fatigue. More importantly, your body requires sodium to retain water and prevent lethal muscle cramping during intense off-grid labor. Start small, cover your core basics, and build your foundation from there. Secure these items on your very next grocery run. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I will see you next time.